Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Surya Vidyaniketan School, third class, Science Studies, second term, Unit 2. Lesson name, Our Body, a Living Mission. Today we will learn about our body, a living mission. A car, a grinder, and a computer are all missions. Do you know that the human body too is a mission? It is a living mission. It can see, hear, smell, taste, and feel. It can also move, grow, breathe, and reproduce. No mission can do all this. Next, what is our body made up of? Yes, cells. The human body is made up of cells. Our body is made up of millions of tiny cells. Cells are different is there. Nerve cell, gland cell, muscle cell, blood cells, red blood cells, and a number of cells is there. White blood cells, bone cells, and reproductive cells. These are cells of different kinds of cells of the main kind of joint together make a tissue. Tissue. Similar types of cells join together to form a tissue. Look at picture and observe the pictures. Muscles tissue, bone tissues. Different types of tissues join to form an organ. A single organ cannot carry out the process of digestion. The organ cooperate with each other in a perfect manner to carry out the process of digestion. Children, look at pictures. Food pipe, stomach, large intestine and small intestine. Our sense organs. Everything we know about the world is through our senses. The main sense organs are the eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. The skin is the fifth sense organ which is found all over our body. Total how many sense organs is there? Yes, totally 5 sense organs is there. Eyes. We can know their important characteristics such as the shape, the size and the color of the objects with the help of our eyes. Our eyes help us to see. Ears. Our ears help us to hear. We get a lot of information about various things in our environment through our sense organs. Nose. Our nose help us to smell. We can smell things through our nose. Tongue. Our tongue help us to taste. Look at picture. Here are some food items is there. Look at the picture showing the knowledge we gain through the taste of our tongue. Skin. Our skin help us to feel heat, cold, soft, hot. Look at picture showing the knowledge we get through the contact of our skin. Respiratory system. The respiratory system consists of the nose, the windpipe and the lungs. Pair of lungs. Next, observe the second picture. We take air through our nose. The air in the nose prevent dust and germs from entering our body. The air then goes to our lungs through the windpipe. The air that we breathe, it is a gas called oxygen. We release the carbon dioxide. Healthy breathing habits. Always breathe through the nose, not through the mouth. Do not cover face while sleeping. Always wear comfortable and not tight fitting clothes so that you can breathe easily. The digestive system. The process of changing the food into similar substances is called digestion. When we smell food, our mouth starts watering. This is the beginning of digestion. Mouth, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. Mouth. The process of digestion starts in the mouth. Saliva is secreted in the mouth. The more you chew over your food, the better it mixes with the saliva. After the food has been chewed properly, you swallow it. The food that passes through the food pipe or esophagus. Stomach. The walls of the stomach secrete other digestive juices. These juices helps to change the chewed food into similar substances. Observe picture. In down picture, food has like a chewed after we see the juice. From the stomach, food goes into small intestine. Small intestine is a long coiled tube. Observe picture, children. Some more digestive juices mix with the food here, digesting it completely. Small intestine. The walls of the small intestine absorb the digested food and pass it on to the blood vessels. The blood vessels carry the digested food all over the body, supplying it with nutrition. Observe the picture. All blood vessels are supplying to our total entire body. In yellow mark, red and blue with the blood vessels, and yellow is processing the blood. The undigested food reaches the large intestine. The wall of the large intestine absorbs the water, and the rest of the undigested food is released from the body through the anus. Waste food should leave the body, otherwise it will harm our health. Okay, now children, waste food should leave the body, otherwise it will harm your health. So we will develop regular toilet habits. The circulatory system. The circulatory system. The heart, the blood and the blood vessels make up the circulatory system. Heart, vessel, artery and blood vessels. The circulatory system. Our heart is the size of our fist. The heart is the main organ of the circulatory system and pumps blood to all parts of our body through the blood vessels. This is our lesson. I hope you understand this lesson. Watch 2 to 3 times. Take care. Bye. Thank you.